Hello everyone. So let me show you the demo of our AI Quizmaker tool. Okay. So here you can see our AI Quizmaker for technical domain. So if you are preparing for technical exams like ISRO, DRDO, BAR, so this is the best way to prepare for those exam, right? So let me show you the demo first here. So first you need to select your engineering branch. For example, mechanical, electronics, computer science, electrical. Okay. So we are trying to add more branches as well. Okay. Let's say for example, I am selecting computer science here and the subject you can see accordingly you can select on which you want to take the test. For example, let's say I will go with DBMS, right? And then you can see a difficulty level easy, medium, hard. So let me go with the medium difficulty level and you can select the number of questions you want to attempt and the time limit here. So this is basically a free version. So in the free version, you can create up to 10 questions and the time limit is 10 only, right? So you can see value must be less than or equal to 10. So let me put 10 here. So that's it. So 10 number of questions for 10 minutes and you can select your engineering branch and the subject and then you can simply click on start quiz here. So this will take some time, depends upon number of questions you have selected. Okay. So we can wait for a few minutes. So here you can see a complete test series platform. Like if you have attempted any TCS exam, right? So similar interface will be there. So you can see a UI is pretty good, and you can see we are giving a computer science mock test for these particular examinations. Okay. So we have a 10 question like what we have selected, and the time is 10 minutes. And this is how your test series platform will look like. You can attempt the first question. For example, you can see which normal form is based on functional dependency and transit dependency. Let's say we go with one of the option, let's say 3NF. Then you can see save and next button. Then we have mark for review and next, and then we can clear response, right? So I will go with save and next button, and you can attempt the questions. I am randomly selecting the options. You can also mark for review and next, and you can see the color will get changed, right? And you can simply attempt this particular test like this, select, and you can also mark for review or next like that. Okay, so this is basically a entire test series platform. This is AI generated question and the questions are pretty good. It's not like that we are simply generating a question using AI. A previous year question has been given as input along with the syllabus, so this question is generated based on that. Okay, so don't worry about the question is relevant to your exam or not. Okay, so that's it. If you attempt the test and then you can hit a submit button here. Once you click on the submit, you can see your entire your performance report. So your score is 2 out of 10, and you can see which question you got correct. This is basically in green, and which question you got wrong, that is basically in the red. So you can see your answer, correct answer here, right? Explanation, a detailed explanation has been given for each question. You can see, right? For example, which of the following is not a property of transaction? So you can see duplicity, that's a durability, right? So you can see entire explanation has been given to you. Okay, so this is how the entire quiz platform will look like, and after submission you will get this entire quiz report. Okay, you can try another quiz, you can review incorrect, you attempt it, or you mark question as well. Okay, so if you want to attempt another test series, you can simply go to try another quiz and you will come back to this particular page, right? So this is how entire platform will look like, and you can see this user profile. If you click on user profile, you can see here your account details and the achievements here. So this is the first step you have taken, and as a free plan you can take 3 quizzes per day, and each quiz can have maximum 10 number of questions for 10 minutes, right? So if you want to upgrade to a pro version, so it's cost 99 rupees per month. It's not a recurring payment, it's simply a one-time payment for a 1 month, right? So if you want to access entire platforms, then you can go for this pro version. So once you attempt this, you can see performance analytics. For DBMS, you got 20% correct here. So we are working on this particular interface as of now. So performance analytics quiz history you can see here, right? And again, you can go back to a quiz and you can attain any one of the test series. So here we have talked about just a technical domain, that is ISRO and DRDO. You can also attempt JEE NEET test series. So if you are preparing for JEE NEET exam, you can also go with that. If you are preparing for UPSC exam, you can just simply click on UPSC CSE test series, right? If you want to attempt full mock test, you can simply click full mock test and all the subject will get selected. And here again, you can start a quiz like this. Okay. So you can see this UPSC mock test as well, right? So again, I can click on next and hit submit button here, right? Like this, submit. So again, you can review the questions here. You can see detailed explanation has been given to you for each and every question. So this is the best way to prepare for any exam. Okay, so we are going to create this type of platform for most of the exam. So if you look at our main website piyushai.com, you can see here. So as of now, we are offering this test series for JEE NEET, UPSC CSE, CGL exam and technical domain. We are going to soon launch for this banking exam test as well as QA exam test series as well. Okay. So please try to explore this entire platform. So this is basically a beta version of our platform. So please try this particular platform. And once you try out this particular platform, if you have any suggestions or if you face any difficulty, please try to fill this particular feedback form. Okay. So we'll reach out to you. Okay. So that's it from my side. Please try to explore this particular platform. Thank you.